Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix the Adobe Reader cannot open in protected mode. So let's get started. The fix number one is disable the protected mode. This can be done by going to the Edit Preferences, Security Enhanced, and deselecting the Enable Protected mode at the startup. However, it's important to note that the protected mode in the Adobe's primary defense in-depth security strategy for mitigating and preventing the security vulnerabilities. Disabling it may increase the risk of the security vulnerabilities. The fix number two is use the Adobe Reader Cleaner tool. Download the Adobe Reader installation from the website. You can get it from this particular website, get.adobe.com. And you can use this particular website for the cleaner tool to remove any residual files and the folders. The fix number three is check the compatibility settings. Check if the compatibility settings are applied under the reader shortcut. This can be done by right clicking on the reader shortcut, selecting the properties and checking if the box next to the run this program in compatibility mode for checked. If it is unchecking the box and clicking apply and then OK may resolve the issue. Fix number four is update the Adobe Reader. Make sure you have the latest version of the Adobe Reader installed. Check for the updates in the help menu and install if any available updates. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you on all. Thank you. Bye bye.